Degree of a polynomial. Degree of a polynomial is simply the highest power to which the variable is raised. So when we are looking at a polynomial, we are trying to find out the term that contains the highest power of the variable. And the value of the highest power is called the degree of that polynomial. Let's take a look at some examples that will help us clarify this. So this is a quite straightforward polynomial, 2x. There is only one term, and this is a polynomial in variable x. Here the variable x is raised to power 1. So we say the degree of this particular polynomial is equal to 1. Let's take a look at some more examples. We have another polynomial here in variable y. Now there are 3 terms overall, and there are 2 terms, this term and this term, that contains the variable. And here the variable is raised to power 2, and here the variable is raised to power 1. So we see that this is the highest power to which the variable is raised. So we say that degree, let's write this in short. Here degree of this polynomial is 2, because 2 is the highest power to which the variable is raised in this polynomial. Here we have another example of a polynomial, and here the variable is s. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 terms here, and we are looking to identify the term that has the highest power for the variable. So here s is raised to power 5, here power 4, 3, 2, 1, right? So it looks like this is the highest power to which the variable s is raised. So we say that degree of this polynomial, is simply 5. Let's take a look at maybe 1 or 2 more examples. So here we have t to the power 8 minus 16t. So this term, we have the variable is raised to power 8 I should say. Here t is raised to power 1. So we say that degree of this particular polynomial is 8. And maybe we should take one last example here. And we have 6z power 10 or z power 10. Here the variable is raised to power 8 power 6. So we say that the degree of this polynomial is 10, because this is the highest power to which the variable is raised in this polynomial. So if you remember, when we were talking about the coefficients, we really didn't pay much attention to the variable and the exponent, right? When we are looking for the coefficient of a term. So similarly, when we are talking about degree of a polynomial, we don't really care for the coefficient. All we are looking for the variable, and we are looking which term has the variable raised to the highest power. And the value of the highest power is called the degree of the polynomial.